Welcome, I'm Thanya. Let's use finance as your advantage in decisions.
Imagine this. Your business is moving fast, projects are global, costs are shifting daily. But instead of waiting for the end-of-month reports to surprise you, what if an AI finance agent, powered by ChatGPT in the backend, could watch every number, every variance in real time, and alert you instantly when something crosses a threshold you define? Welcome to the Variance Insight Agent, standard level. Today, we'll explore the rule-based alerts feature through real-world case stories. You'll see how it transforms variance detection from reactive firefighting into proactive financial control. Let's step into real business scenarios. Imagine a finance team navigating the unpredictable waves of costs, sales, and profitability. Instead of being blindsided at the end of the quarter, their AI-powered Variance Insight Agent steps in, watching the numbers continuously. And when thresholds are crossed, it triggers real-time alerts. Let's see how this plays out across different situations. A retail chain faces fluctuating demand. The rule is simple. Trigger an alert when monthly sales variance exceeds 10%. Mid-month, the agent detects a sudden drop compared to plan. Instantly, a graph illustrates the gap, while a table highlights the affected regions. Finance leaders act quickly, shifting promotions and adjusting forecasts, avoiding a costly miss at month-end. A manufacturer relies heavily on raw materials. Their rule: send an alert if procurement cost variance is greater than 5%. The agent spots a spike as supplier prices climb. A variance table highlights which categories are driving the surge. With this insight, procurement managers renegotiate contracts and prevent a budget blowout before it escalates. In a services firm, labor costs are a key driver. The agent is set to generate an alert if labor cost variance crosses 8%. Soon, it flags rising overtime expenses. The graph shows upward deviation, while a detailed table points to departments most impacted. Managers adjust staffing schedules, saving the company from overspending and burnout risks. A fast-scaling tech company tracks operating expenses tightly. Their rule: raise an alert when quarterly OPEX variance surpasses 7%. Halfway through the quarter, the agent highlights IT service costs rising above plan. Graphs show the trend compared to last quarter, while tables reveal specific vendors. Leadership steps in early to renegotiate terms, avoiding year-end surprises. Construction projects are notorious for capital cost overruns. A contractor sets the rule: trigger warning for CAPEX overspend variance above threshold. The agent quickly detects equipment rental overruns. A variance waterfall chart maps exactly where the excess lies. With this early alert, project managers phase out deliveries and keep the investment under control.
Step forward. With clarity, finance will carry you further.
A retail distributor depends on healthy margins. Their agent rule: alert when margin percent variance falls below -3%. Discounts on a product line trigger the deviation. Graphs show falling margins against plan, while tables pinpoint categories affected. Management responds immediately, adjusting pricing strategies to protect profitability before the quarter ends. A multinational business faces currency volatility. The agent is tuned to send an alert when FX variances exceed 2%. A sudden currency shift is caught immediately. Graphs display exposure per region, while tables outline transaction impacts. Treasury executes a hedge strategy the same day, avoiding what could have been a severe earnings hit. In supply chain operations, logistics costs can swing wildly. The rule is set: generate an alert when logistics costs exceed 6% variance. Rising fuel charges trigger the alert. The visualization shows the spike, and tables highlight the routes and hubs most affected. The team quickly adjusts delivery methods, saving millions in distribution costs. A global brand invests heavily in marketing. The agent rule: raise alert when marketing expense variance is higher than threshold. A digital campaign overspends its budget early. A graph shows the deviation, while tables break it down by channel. The finance marketing team collaborates instantly, redistributing funds to protect campaign ROI. And the ultimate safeguard: trigger a notification if profitability variance moves outside plus or -5%. Mid-quarter, the agent detects profits dipping below the band. Visuals show the variance trend, and a table highlights business units at risk. Executives now have the foresight to pivot strategies and safeguard shareholder confidence before the situation worsens.
Start your free 30-day trial. Finance grows stronger with Thanya.
So what's the real benefit of using the Variance Insight Agent? It's about never being caught off guard again. Instead of waiting weeks for financial reports, your agent constantly monitors key metrics, triggers alerts when variances break thresholds, and gives you the chance to act before risks become losses. That's proactive finance leadership. And remember, what we've explored today is only the rule-based alerts feature at the standard level. The Variance Insight Agent also includes Variance Type Support to classify deviations more clearly, Excel upload input for fast and flexible data integration, root cause mapping where you can add manual notes to document findings, Variance Classification by high or low deviation for prioritization, drill down capability to zoom into single-level detail, Excel-based visualizations for clear summaries, Variance Commentary to capture field-level explanations, Variance History comparing current versus prior periods, Link to Ops triggers for manual operational lookup, basic KPI integration such as margin percent and cost per unit, export output so you can share results directly in Excel. Together, these features give you a comprehensive, intelligent variance monitoring solution, all in one agent. And you can experience it today. Click the link in the description for your 30-day free trial of the Variance Insight Agent and the entire suite of 33 finance AI agents. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, where we share more real case studies and professional insights showing how AI finance agents are transforming financial control. With Variance Insight Agent, you're not just analyzing numbers, you're leading with foresight.